Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I don't make mistake. That pause. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to be sharing with you the common mistakes people make when they work out, especially beginners. If that sounds like something you're interested in, let's hop into it. So, turn off with the common dumbbell. So the dumbbell we are going to be using in this video today weighs about 10 to 12 kg. So guys, that was just the beginning, and for the next shot I'm going to need my friend who is behind the camera. My sound is going to be helping me with this part of the video. Let's hop into it. Okay, so this is my very good friend my sound. Wave to the camera, Ima. Yeah, so today is going to be helping me to demonstrate the push-up, common mistake people make when they do the push-up exercise. So one of the most common mistakes is that they don't get the hand position right, thereby leading to certain fractures or injuries on the wrists. So today, Ima is going to be demonstrating to us how to do a proper push-up. Let's get into it.
A few moments later.
So guys, that's it for today's video. We have to wrap it up here. If this sounds like, or this video is something you seem interested in, or you actually liked it or found it funny, tune in for the next one. I'll see you in the next one. For now, my hands are aching. I need to go and take my bath and get some rest.